than meets the eye. Autobots wage their battle to destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons, the Transformers. Robots in disguise, the Transformers. More than meets the eye, the Transformers.
In search of precious energy, the Autobots venture forth into outer space, but the evil Decepticons attack them. 4 million years later, the Autobots and Decepticons are reactivated. The Autobots track the Decepticons to the crystal mines of Burma, but their dangerous mission backfires as we begin the final episode of The Transformers.
You all right?
Looks bad, Jazz.
Ratchet, see what repairs are needed.
Let's get him up on his wheels.
Ready, lift.
Careful. Easy. Easy. Good. Prime, can you hear me?
He's still generating.
Roller. What happened to him?
Down but not out. Roller's one tough little Autobot.
Prime, can you transform?
I'll try. I don't know if I can do it. I've almost got it.
Come on, Prime. You can do it. Try harder.
You got it. You got it.
Come on. There.
Welcome back to the land of moving parts.
That was some blast you took.
The blast. Bumblebee and Sparkplug. They're still inside.
How will we ever find them under all that rock?
Only one way. Stand back. Start digging.
I found them! Over here!
Yes, I thought we'd had it.
Thanks to you two, the Decepticons are finished.
Well, we were almost finished, too.
Wheeljack wasn't kidding when he said it would blow in 60 seconds.
59.99 to be exact. With the Decepticons buried under all that rock, we can resume our search for the resources we need.
And we can return to Cybertron?
Very soon, Mirage. Very soon. Deep and lubricant!
It worked! We're free! We can get out! We are indestructible! Power to the Decepticons forever! Energon cubes still functional. Patron and follow me! Scramble!
The Decepticons! They're escaping! After them! Save it, Ironhide. They're too fast for us in the air. Well, I'm tired of sucking their vapor trail. I'll stop them. Ironhide, come back!
I'll get him!
Blue Streak, no!
Call it off, Ironhide! There's too many of them! They're out of reach!
Stop yapping, Blue Streak. This is my fight.
Make it our fight!
Skywalk to Megatron! Request permission to teleport! Permission granted! Teleport and destroy!
It's like fighting a shadow!
Don't worry, we'll get him!
Ironhide! I'm coming, Ironhide! Throw me a line!
You got it!
Pull!
At least you can still talk, old buddy.
Where'd you get hit?
Back in somewhere. Think my linkage is busted.
I'll check it. Get him inside.
You gave us all a pretty good scare. It's been worse. I remember the time on Cybertron. Save the war stories, hotshot. Just remember, there's a thin line between being a hero and being a memory.
Maybe Ironhide's ready for a nice, cushy office job.
Ain't no way. Soon as Ratchet tightens a few bolts, I'll be right back in action. We'll see. Let's get out of here.
Optimus Prime cares a lot for his fellow robots, and he doesn't want anything to happen to them. I think he'd make a neat president.
Ravage, this key's not for you. Don't think he likes being a prisoner.
Can't say I blame him. You know, I'm surprised the Decepticons haven't tried to rescue him.
I'm not. They don't care about anyone, not even their own. Hey, Ravage, watch this. Haha, here's your friend Megatron to keep you company.
Hound, when we get back to Cybertron, will you make me a big house with a 4-car garage? Holograms look so real, nobody'll know the difference.
Mirage, you just gave me a great idea.
A hologram?
That's right, Prime, but I mean a big one.
What did you have in mind?
A gigantic illusion that'll trick the Decepticons into coming to us on our terms.
It might just work.
What's the hologram of?
I've got an idea.
I just saw Prime. He told me Teletran 1's located a secret supply of rocket fuel.
Where?
Not too far from here, about 140 kilometers due west.
Then maybe we can go back to Cybertron?
Why, there's enough rocket fuel at that base to make 4 trips to Cybertron. Come on, let's tell Ironhide. Make him feel better.
But what about Ramage?
Don't worry about him. He's not going anywhere.
It's Ramage!
He's getting away!
After him!
What happened?
Ravage. He escaped.
Perfect.
The rocket base is 140 kilometers due west of the Autobot camp.
Excellent, Ravage! Excellent! That rocket fuel is the last resource we need to defeat the Autobots and control Cybertron.
Right on schedule, aren't we?
No thanks to you, Starscream.
I've made my contribution.
You've also made clear your desire to replace me as leader of the Decepticons. Mistake number 1.
It's time for a change, Megatron. It's time for action, not words. I am the leader of the future.
You couldn't lead androids to a picnic. How can you pretend to lead the Decepticons? Megatron!
It's empty!
You failed to dispose of me when you had the chance, Starscream. Mistake number 2. Now it's my turn.
Please, don't fire! I was wrong. I shouldn't have done it. Please, don't shoot! Megatron! Megatron!
We attack the rocket base at sunrise.